guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you can't clear your Safari history in your Apple device. So at the start, check your screen time. So go to the settings, tap on the screen time, choose the content, and go to the content restrictions. Type your code, choose the web content, and select the unrestricted. Then go back to the settings, and now check your iCloud. So open your account section, go to the iCloud, tap on the show all, and now just switch off the Safari web browser. In the next tip, you can also try to update your system, so go to the general and choose the software update. If you have any update, just try to download it and install. And the last one, go to the general, slide down to the reset iPhone, and tap on the reset. Then choose the network settings, tap on the reset network settings, and then look for the clear history button again in the settings for the Safari. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.